Hey everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the C++20's feature const eval versus the const expression, which was introduced in C++11. So let us take a look at this. I have set up this compiler explorer um, in which we will be taking a look at the square function, which is getting called from main. And right now on your right hand side, you will see the machine code that is generated from, from the source code here. And what we are going to do right now is we are just going to add a const expression for our function square. And absolutely the same number of machine lines code has been generated. So with or without const expression. So now if you take a look at the line number 7 here, which is where we are declaring integer, and then the same integer has been passed to the square function. So now if I add a const expression to also this integer, you will see a drastic change in the generated machine code because the evaluation of square is being completed during the compile time itself. The answer is already deduced. And based on that, compiler has already optimized the generated machine code. So this is how the const expressions are used. As long as it's all the inputs are const expression, it will be evaluated at the compile time. But if not, then as you can see, it will get baked into the generated machine code. So now let us just contrast this with how const eval is used. So now when I add this one, so I can add the specifier const eval. Now here itself, you can see that the value of I is not usable because const eval requires all its input to be a const expression. So now in this case, we just add the specifier const expression integer, and then you can see that the generated machine code no longer has square because its evaluation is guaranteed at the compile time. So that's all I wanted to share today on this particular small video explaining about the difference between the const expression and const eval. So thank you for watching.